Welcome to 2minutenglish.com, teaching you English through 2-minute lessons.
This lesson will help you learn how to frame questions with do, does, and did.
Hello everybody. Do you know what today's lesson is about?
Yes, Sally told me that it was about framing questions with do, does, and did. Isn't that why you've started the lesson with a do question?
You're correct, Pete. Do, does, and did can be used to start yes or no questions, but choosing the correct word among do, does, and did is important.
Do you know how to frame questions with all three words?
Yes, do is used in plural and in the present tense. For example, do Sarah and Anne know we are here?
Yes, they know we are here. You used do in your question because you were asking about more than one person.
Yes. You should also know that do is used in singular forms too, but only when the subject is I or you. For example, do you know how to make yes-no questions with do?
Great example, Victor. Do I find this lesson interesting? Yes.
That's right, Sally. See, when you were framing a question about yourself, you used do.
In short, do is used at the start of the question when the subject is I, you, we, they, or names in plural.
And in the question, the verb that denotes the action is changed to a base form without any tense. For example, write, know, and so on.
That's an awesome summary of how to frame questions with do. Great job, Pete and Sally.
What about does and did?
They are also used similarly. Does is used to start questions when the subject is singular. That is, when we are talking about one person and in the present tense. For example, does Kara live with her parents?
Yes, I believe she does. Since you were asking only about Kara, you use does.
Yeah, it is used when the subject is he, she, it, or a name in singular. Did you already know that this class was scheduled today?
Yes, Sally told me this morning. Did you use did in your question to denote past tense?
Yes, and so did you. Did is used to form questions in the past tense for both singular and plural subjects. Now, let's listen to some sample conversations.
Hey Jill, did you know about today's test?
No, I didn't.
Does Professor Stevens always conduct such surprise tests?
Yes, it's so annoying.
Do Mark and Peter know that they missed the deadline for the project submission?
No, I need to tell them.
It was nice meeting you, Johnson.
Same here, Kate. I had a nice time talking to you.
Can I get your number? This way we can keep in touch.
I'm sorry, my phone's not working. I can give you my email.
Sure, that would be fine.
It's johnny25@gmail.com.
Thanks, Johnson. I'll mail you soon. This has been quite a successful event, don't you think?
Absolutely. I could see people having a good time.
Thank you, Mr. Cullen.
I mean it. This one was very well planned. Congratulations.
I can't take all the credit. I had help. The party planner I hired is really good.
Would you mind giving me her number?
No, not at all. I'll mail it to you first thing in the morning.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
How can I help you?
I need to open an account.
Sure. You want a savings account or a checking account?
I want a checking account, and I heard your basic banking package would be the best one for me.
The basic banking is perfect for the ones who write only a few checks or keep a small checking balance.
That is me. So, how do I apply?
Sir, first you need to fill out this form. If you do it now, I can submit it as soon as today.
I'm afraid I don't have the time to do so now. Can we do this tomorrow?
Absolutely. Just ask for me at the front desk. My name's Denise.
I'll do that. Thanks. Hello, Denise. How are you doing?
I'm doing good. How can I help you today?
Well, I would like to close my checking account.
Oh, but if you don't mind me asking, what happened, sir? You've been such a good client.
Yes, you're right, but this bank has been the worst. I'd like to use the service of another bank. And I don't mean to be rude, but I've made up my mind, so please just tell me what I need to do.
Sure, sir. You will need to fill out an account closure form.
Okay, please just give me the form. Excuse me, I'm looking for the wine section.
The wines are in aisle 7. Follow me, I'll show you.
Oh, thanks. This is a big supermarket.
Yes, it is. I think it's the biggest in the neighborhood.
Here we are. Thanks for the help.
My pleasure.
Let me ask you one more thing. Where do I find cheese?
The cheese is in the dairy section in aisle 14.
No, it's okay. I'll be here a minute choosing the wine.
No problem. If you need anything else, any of the other store employees can help you.
Great.
By the way, our domestic wines are on sale. There are some very good ones. Good morning, Claire. Could you help me with the new copy machine?
Sure, no problem. What do you need?
There are so many places to put the paper. I never know where it goes.
How many pages do you need to copy?
I need 3 pages. It's in the weekly financial report.
Okay, put the 3 pages here. Right. Now select the number of copies you need.
I need 2 copies.
So, now you push 2 and the start button.
Well, that was easy enough. Thanks.
Excuse me, could you help me? I need directions to the National Hotel on Main Street.
Oh, sure. It's not too far from here. You can walk.
I know. I just came from there, but I don't remember the name of the street I took to get there.
It's easy. You take this street and you go straight ahead for 2 blocks. Then you make a right on Main Street and you'll see the hotel.
Thank you.
No problem.
Just one more thing. Do you have the time?
Yep. It is 4:15.
Hi, I'm looking for the coffee shop in Queens Village. Is it the next town over?
You're in Kingstown. Queens Village is 2 towns over. You have to go down the road 1 mile and then follow the stone path. You'll see a pond when you get there.
Is there a sign when I arrive at Queens Village?
No, sorry. Just follow the landmarks I gave you.
I need to go to a shoe store in the mall quickly.
You should take the elevator to the 3rd floor and then walk straight down the aisle until you see 9 West Shoes.
That seems far and I have to rush. Wouldn't it be faster to go to Guess Shoes on the 1st floor next to the candy store?
Yes, it would be. You can exit the store directly into the parking lot afterwards. Just past the cashier and walk out the back door.
Which back door? There are 2.
The one on the left with a sign that says Parking Lot Exit.
I will be driving to the beach this weekend. Can you help me figure out how to get there?
I will be happy to help you. Where are you starting from?
I will be driving from my house on Lewis Avenue near the post office.
You should drive to the expressway, take exit 14, and then follow the Belt Parkway until you see the exit for the beach.
Do you know if the beach exit is on the right or the left?
You will have to stay to the right.
Thanks. Excuse me, sir. May you tell me where to find the art museum? Do you know if there's a train station nearby as well?
Does Phil still live with his brother? Do Anna and Ruth visit him often? Did they come to his farewell party?